안녕하세요. I'm Jia. Welcome to my cooking channel. Today, we'll be making an ice cream using Yuja cha. Have you ever heard about yuzu tea or Yuja cha? It's a famous Korean tea, but it looks like a marmalade. The main ingredient of today's ice cream is Greek yogurt and this Yuja cha. This Yuja cha you can find in a Korean supermarket, grocery store, Asian grocery store, or online store. They have this, so you can get this. And this one, the Greek yogurt. We'll be using the Greek yogurt. This is a very thick, heavy, creamy yogurt. If you cannot find this where you live, I'll include in my recipe how to make Greek yogurt using plain yogurt, so please check that out. And we're going to use a little bit of lemon and honey. Okay, let's use the lemon juice. Yuzu is a citrus fruit, so it's already tangy, bittersweet, very aromatic. But by adding a little bit of lemon juice, it makes it even more fragrant. So we're going to add lemon juice to it. This ice cream recipe is super easy. I think this is the easiest recipe that I have for the dessert. Add the yogurt first, and then the Yuja tea and the lemon juice goes in here. The Yuja tea is already sweet, so we're going to add just a little bit of honey to it. Okay, done. You wanna taste a little bit? Let's see. It's good. I think I need another spoon, 1 spoon or 2 spoons of lemon juice. Let's add a bit more of it. Now, we wanna freeze it. Okay, this tray was in a freezer, so in a cold tray, just add the yogurt ice cream. Today I used 200 grams of Greek yogurt and about 90 grams of Yuja cha. You can double it if you'd like to make more of it. So you want a very smooth and creamy consistency like that. This is going to go to the freezer, and then it needs to stay in freezer for an hour. Yuzu is a citrus that isn't eaten straight. There isn't a lot of juice in the fruit, but the intensity and distinctive aroma of fresh yuzu is incredible. Yuzu tea can be also translated as Korean honey citron tea. It's very rich, creamy, but it's not so heavy. So fragrant, it's perfect for dessert. I hope you enjoyed this ice cream recipe. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.